Welcome to SS Interiors, your trusted destination for modular and semi-modular kitchens in Andhra Pradesh. At SS Interiors, we take pride in offering customized kitchen and wardrobe fabrication services, all done at our state-of-the-art in-house manufacturing facility. Our modular kitchens are designed to bring efficiency, functionality, and aesthetics to your home. Each kitchen is carefully crafted to suit your specific needs and preferences, ensuring that it becomes the heart of your household. With over 10 years of experience in manufacturing and executing kitchens, wardrobes, and complete interior and exterior works, we have honed our expertise to deliver exceptional results. Our skilled team of designers and craftsmen work tirelessly to transform your vision into reality. We understand the importance of using top-quality materials for long-lasting durability. That's why we source only the finest stainless steel materials for our kitchens and wardrobes. Our commitment to excellence extends to the hardware and appliances we choose, ensuring seamless functionality and superior performance. At SS Interiors, we believe that every home deserves the finest furnishings. Our in-house manufacturing facility allows us to maintain strict quality control and deliver precision-engineered products that stand the test of time. Join our growing list of satisfied customers who have transformed their homes with our expert craftsmanship and attention to detail. When it comes to furnishing your home, SS Interiors is the clear choice. Here is a list of items involved in kitchen design and fabrication. Cabinets. Custom-built cabinets tailored to your kitchen's layout and storage needs. Countertops. High-quality countertops made from materials like granite, quartz, or marble. Kitchen islands. Functional and stylish islands that provide additional workspace and storage. Backsplash. A decorative and protective element behind the cooking area, typically made of tiles or other materials. Appliances. Modern and energy-efficient appliances such as refrigerators, ovens, cooktops, dishwashers, and range hoods. Sink and faucet. Stainless steel or other durable materials for sinks, complemented by stylish and functional faucets. Lighting. Well-placed lighting fixtures to ensure proper illumination in different areas of the kitchen. Hardware. Handles, knobs, and pulls for cabinets and drawers that add a touch of style and ease of use. Pantry and storage solutions. Customized pantry cabinets and storage systems to maximize organization and efficiency. Flooring. Durable and easy to maintain flooring options like ceramic tiles, hardwood, laminate, or vinyl. Ventilation. Proper ventilation systems, including range hoods or exhaust fans, to remove smoke, odors, and excess heat. Finishing touches. Trim work, decorative elements, and paint or wallpaper to enhance the overall aesthetics of the kitchen. At SS Interiors, we pay meticulous attention to each of these elements to ensure a well-designed and functional kitchen that meets your specific requirements. Let's take a closer look at the meticulous manufacturing process that brings our exceptional products to life. Step 1. Material preparation. Our skilled technicians carefully select and prepare the highest quality materials, such as wood, laminates, or other customized materials, based on the specific project requirements. Step 2. Cutting and shaping. Advanced machinery and computer-controlled cutting tools precisely cut and shape the materials into the desired dimensions and components. This ensures accuracy and consistency throughout the manufacturing process. Step 3. Assembly and joinery. Our highly skilled craftsmen meticulously assemble the components, using traditional joinery techniques like mortise and tenon, dovetail, or dowel joinery. This creates strong and durable connections between the different parts of the product. Step 4. Finishing and surface treatment. Attention to detail is key as we meticulously sand, smooth, and apply the desired finishes to enhance the beauty and durability of each product. This includes staining, painting, varnishing, or applying protective coatings. Step 5. Quality control. Every product undergoes rigorous inspections and quality checks throughout the manufacturing process. Our dedicated quality control team ensures that each item meets our high standards of excellence and craftsmanship. Step 6. Hardware and component integration. High-quality hardware components, such as hinges, handles, knobs, or drawer slides, are carefully integrated into the product. This ensures smooth functionality and adds a touch of elegance to the final piece. Step 7. final assembly and packaging. The fully assembled products are carefully inspected and undergo a final check for quality and accuracy. They are then meticulously packaged, ensuring they remain protected during transportation.
Step 8. Shipping and delivery. Our efficient logistics team coordinates the shipping and delivery of the finished products to their respective destinations. We ensure safe and timely delivery, with attention to proper handling and care. At SS Interiors, we take pride in our manufacturing process. From the initial material selection to the final inspection, every step is carried out with the utmost precision and attention to detail. Our skilled craftsmen and state-of-the-art machinery ensure that each product meets our customers' highest expectations. We specialize in creating stunning and functional kitchens designed just for you. Let's take a closer look at the items involved in our kitchen design and fabrication process. First, we have custom-built cabinets, tailored to fit your kitchen's unique layout and storage needs. These cabinets are meticulously crafted to provide both style and functionality. These countertops add a touch of elegance to your kitchen while offering durability and easy maintenance. Our kitchen islands are both practical and visually appealing. They provide additional workspace and storage, becoming the focal point of your culinary haven. A well-designed backsplash not only protects your walls but also adds a decorative element to your kitchen. Choose from a range of tiles or other materials to create a unique and stylish look. Our selection of modern and energy-efficient appliances ensures your kitchen is equipped with the latest technology. From refrigerators to ovens, cooktops to dishwashers, and range hoods, we've got you covered. A well-crafted sink and faucet combination is essential for both functionality and style. We offer stainless steel sinks and elegant faucets that enhance the overall aesthetics of your kitchen. Proper lighting sets the mood and illuminates your kitchen. We carefully place lighting fixtures to ensure optimal brightness in different areas, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The right hardware can make a significant difference in your kitchen's overall look. We offer a wide range of handles, knobs, and pulls, adding a touch of personality and ease of use to your cabinets and drawers. Customized pantry cabinets and storage solutions are essential for an organized kitchen. We create functional and stylish storage systems to maximize space and efficiency. Durable and easy-to-maintain flooring options, such as ceramic tiles, hardwood, laminate, or vinyl, complete the look of your kitchen, tying all the elements together seamlessly. Proper ventilation is vital in any kitchen. We provide reliable ventilation systems, including range hoods and exhaust fans, to remove smoke, odors, and excess heat, ensuring a fresh and comfortable cooking environment. And finally, those finishing touches. Trim work, decorative elements, and carefully chosen paint or wallpaper add the perfect final touches, making your kitchen a true reflection of your personal style. At SS Interiors, we pay meticulous attention to each of these elements, ensuring that your kitchen is not only beautiful but also perfectly tailored to your needs. Contact us today to bring your dream kitchen to life. Let's walk through how we create our exquisite kitchen models, tailored to your unique preferences and requirements. Step 1. Site visit and dimension collection. Our expert team conducts a thorough site visit to understand the layout and space available for your kitchen. Precise measurements are taken to ensure a perfect fit. Step 2. Customer requirements and preferences. We believe in capturing your vision and needs for your dream kitchen. Our team engages with you, the homemakers, to understand your functional requirements and design preferences. Step 3. Color and style selection. Colors play a vital role in creating the desired ambiance in your kitchen. We guide you through a selection of color palettes and materials, helping you choose the perfect combination that reflects your personal style. Step 4. Kitchen layout models. Our skilled designers analyze the collected data, customer requirements, and preferences to develop 2 to 3 unique kitchen layout models. These models are meticulously created to match your requirements while optimizing space and functionality. Step 5. Presentation and finalizing the model. We present the 2 to 3 kitchen layout models to you, providing a visual representation of how each design will look in your space. We discuss the pros and cons of each option, allowing you to make an informed decision. Step 6. Material selection and manufacturing process. Once the model is finalized, we proceed with selecting the appropriate materials and finishes. We carefully source high-quality materials to ensure durability and aesthetics. The manufacturing process begins, either off-site or on-site, depending on the site conditions and specific project requirements. At SS Interiors, we combine our expertise with your vision to bring your dream kitchen to life. From the initial site visit and gathering of requirements to the presentation of models and material selection, we ensure that every detail is meticulously considered. We believe in using only the finest materials to ensure the longevity and durability of your kitchen. Step 1. Marine-grade plywood. We exclusively use marine-grade plywood, known for its exceptional strength and resistance to moisture and humidity. This high-quality plywood is specially treated to withstand the demands of kitchen environments. Step 2. 10-year warranty. We stand behind the quality of our marine-grade plywood with a 10-year warranty. This warranty provides you with peace of mind, knowing that your kitchen will remain in excellent condition for years to come. Step 3. Surface laminates. To enhance the durability and aesthetics of your kitchen, we incorporate 1.5 mm thick surface laminates from renowned brands. These laminates offer exceptional wear resistance, ensuring your kitchen remains pristine even after decades of use. Step 4. Renowned brands. We partner with reputable brands known for their high-quality surface laminates. These brands combine innovative technology and exquisite design to offer you a wide range of options that match your style and preferences. With marine-grade plywood and surface laminates of 1.5 mm thickness, your SS Interiors kitchen is built to withstand the demands of daily use. Our commitment to quality materials ensures that your kitchen remains wear-resistant, ensuring its beauty and functionality for decades to come. At SS Interiors, we believe in equipping your kitchen with the highest quality appliances, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Let's explore the makes and brands that we rely on to create kitchens that stand the test of time. Haffel, Bloom, Godrej, EBCO, CAF, and Ozone are the trusted makes and brands that SS Interiors incorporates into their kitchen designs. Haffel, known for their innovative kitchen fittings and accessories, provides a wide range of products designed to enhance functionality and convenience in the kitchen. Bloom, a trusted brand specializing in kitchen hardware, offers durable and advanced solutions such as drawer runners, hinges, and lift systems, ensuring smooth operation and reliability. Haffel, not to be confused with Haffel, is another established brand that provides a comprehensive range of kitchen hardware solutions, including handles, knobs, sliding systems, and storage solutions, ensuring both functionality and aesthetics. Godrej, a renowned brand, offers a wide range of kitchen appliances, including refrigerators, ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers, known for their quality, energy efficiency, and modern features. EBCO, a trusted name in kitchen hardware, provides a variety of products such as hinges, drawer systems, and fittings that enhance the functionality and durability of kitchen cabinets and drawers. CAF offers kitchen chimneys, hobs, and built-in ovens that combine innovative technology with sleek design, ensuring efficient ventilation and cooking capabilities in your kitchen. Ozone offers a range of kitchen accessories and fittings known for their quality and durability. Their corner units, pull-out systems, and ergonomic storage solutions maximize space utilization and enhance convenience in the kitchen. By incorporating these trusted makes and brands into our kitchen designs, SS Interiors ensures that your kitchen is equipped with durable, reliable, and high-performing appliances, built to withstand the demands of everyday use. SS Interiors takes great pride in being a trusted studio partner of Haffel, a renowned name in the industry. This partnership allows us to bring you exceptional design and fabrication services for your kitchens and wardrobes. As a studio partner of Haffel, SS Interiors combines their expertise in kitchen fittings and accessories with our design and fabrication capabilities. This collaboration enables us to offer you the best of both worlds, innovative Haffel products and our meticulous craftsmanship. With SS Interiors as your studio partner, you can expect nothing less than excellence in every aspect of your kitchen and wardrobe projects. Our team of skilled professionals works closely with Haffel's range of high-quality products to create spaces that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Whether it's incorporating Haffel's state-of-the-art kitchen fittings, advanced storage solutions, or ergonomic accessories, SS Interiors ensures that your kitchen and wardrobe designs are tailored to your unique requirements, offering both style and functionality.